racing with a 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme two-door coupe. One that survived, didn't meet the demise of so many, getting turned into stock cars for dirt track racing and what have you back in the day. This particular car spent much of its life with the original owners in Idaho. So you can imagine what this one looks like underneath, body panels, above each of the wheel wells. We're going to check those out a little closer. I'll also tell you where you can check out the still pictures so you can check out the underside of this car. It looks like it still has the original undercoating on it. Original mile car, according to the previous owners. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out, start it up, let you hear it run. Underneath the hood, speaking of it running, 4.3 liter V8 paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the condition of the front bumper, grill, headlight surrounds. Shows well, especially for a 1979. And take a look down the length of this passenger side. You can tell it has not had a bunch of body work. It's not waving at you, as we say. The other thing is take a look at the filler panels, and we'll check those out in the rear too. But those filler panels, lots of times rot out, crack with age, get brittle, discolored. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Color keyed rally style wheels, center caps, beauty rings. Now, take a look. Lower rockers around the wheel wells. Front fenders look good. And let's just go all the way back in the lower portion of this car. I want you to see this. You don't see bubbling, rusting, holes, pitting. We got a little dinger in the bright work right there. Shot behind. Rear wheel well in the quarter. Very nice condition. Light blue interior. Split bench seat up front. Little aftermarket radio installed. Other than that, appears the dash is stock condition. Headliner has been redone, and we'll check out that interior a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We did pick up a little hole in that rear taillight that has been taped over, FYI, so it wouldn't be showing red out the rear. Wanted to point that out. Could use a new taillight lens, but check out these filler panels again in the rear. If you're familiar with these cars, you know what I'm talking about. How they'll start to age and get chalky or crack or brittle and just start falling apart. Tell this car is not a real high mile car, stored indoors. That is for sure. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and take a look. Lower portion of the driver's side of this car around the rear wheel wells. Again, you just don't see really any bubbling, rusting through, corrosion. Yeah, you're going to have a little small ding or nick here or there, but overall, again, you can see how nice it shows. Did notice there was one right there that kind of shows up. There was a touch-up spot on paint. I wanted to show you two here. 1 second while we're talking about it. Notice it over here in the roof. Looks like something might have fell on it or dinged a little bit. You can see where it's touched up if that shows up. I want to show you that too. That should show up in the pictures. All right, slip around to the driver's side. Let's check out this interior. You have a little fade from the door panels. We see that on these with just age of the dye that didn't take, and just with the age. We see those starting to whiten up, blues, greens, and reds. It really seems like it'll do it on. But take a look at the rest of the panels. where it's either fabric or vinyl and not that composite or plastic. Seats, all appear the original fabric, not cracking down here like you see so many do. And then, like I said, I mentioned the headliner has been redone. Once again, according to original ownership, $37,917. That's what it shows for miles. Judging by engine bay, trunk, carpeting, everything else, that would not surprise me to be original miles. Unfortunately, once the vehicle sold, it does not stay in the title. All right, there's the aftermarket stereo. As you can see, that is working. Whoops, let's turn that down. AC also blows cold. No problems there. Freeze out of here in no time. Again, there's miles. 37,917. Let's take a look at the top of the dash. FYI, wipers work too. Had those going earlier. Take a look at the top of the dash. Not cracked, discolored, weather checked. It's also in nice shape. Let's run to the back of this. You can hear it run. What you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, anything obnoxious, anything like that. And again, check out the underside. Just look at the floor pans. Look at the underside of the engine. You'll see what I'm saying. You can tell this is an Idaho car, no doubt about it. All right, let me pause this a second and check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood liner. Doesn't look like the ones you see in the Rust Belt with a bunch of dried salt and corrosion and crud in it, that's for sure. Nice clean hood liner. I did notice also, looks like we have a new compressor here. So new AC components. Has been converted from the arch wall. Look at how clean and tidy this engine bay is. Anytime you see one of these not all rotted out, full of holes, looks like we have a new alternator. Master cylinder with brake booster, looks like there also. Smooth running engine, no doubt about it. Like I said, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. There you go. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, nice two-door coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.